Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. I hope you guys enjoy the next video that you're about to watch. This is part of my Node.js course. We're building a social media site with Node.js. It's gonna have all the cool features like chat, user authentication, following other users, basically posting statuses, all the cool stuff that any social media site would have and should have. So basically, this is what we're doing. I'm showing you guys the first part of the project, which is creating the views, and then all of the logic will be part of the course. Okay, if you guys haven't seen this yet, it's a full course for Node.js. So everything that you need to start building applications is here. You know, we go over the basics of how to install Node, how to get everything going. We talk about Node.js basics, which is like Express.js, building a small little server. Then from there, we start talking about Adonis. I go deep into the framework. So definitely check it out. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye. All right, guys, don't miss on anything that happens on CodingPhase.com. Subscribe and click the notification, and you will get notified every time that I drop a new video or a new content. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is start building our first major project in Node.js, okay? And this is gonna be a pretty cool project because it's gonna be basically a social media website. I have this design that I found on Dribble. We're gonna take some parts out of this for inspiration. All right, we're not taking everything from this. We're just basically using it for inspiration, and we're going to create our own styles for our website. Okay, so this is one of the things that we're going to be building. And yeah, let's talk about features. What exactly this website is going to have? It's going to have user authentication, which means a user could register, sign in, and go to their account. Okay, simple, the basics of web development, right? We're going to have statuses, which is what we see here. Somebody could come here and put a status. Okay, we're going to have a feature to follow. So you see a user here, or you search for a user, or you search for a tag. Let's add that too. So let's put in hashtags. Okay, so we're gonna have hashtags. So let's say you search for a hashtag of web development, and you find a couple of people writing about web development or sharing cool stuff about web development. You're gonna be able to follow them. Okay, and we're gonna have a chat system, which is what we see right here. Okay, so yeah, the name of the application is going to be called Talk, but in Japanese, so Toku. So I know y'all probably thinking like, "Hey Joe, why are you naming it Japanese?" Listen, I don't know. I don't even know why I'm naming it in Japanese. It just sounds cool, Toku. So Toku.io, let's say, okay. So we're gonna call it Toku.io, and we are going to start building this. Okay. Now, the requirements for this. What are the requirements? Number one, you need to have Node.js installed. Okay. I am not gonna go into this, how to do this. All of this information you can find it on the internet, or if you own the course, the complete course of Node.js, right? You are going to be seeing this in the beginning of the course. Okay. You also need to be installing Adonis.js. Okay. So Adonis.js is just a framework for Node.js. So once you install Node.js, make sure you set up Adonis.js. Like I said, all of this is in the beginning of the course. Now, the next thing that we're also going to use is my web developer starter kit. So to do this, we're going to go to github.com/codingphase.com. So it's codingphase.com. Just like how you see it right here, codingphase.com. You're going to download the starter kit, and you're going to keep this in your download section, and we will open this later on. Okay, this to basically work with our assets. Adonis.js has a couple of things as far as managing assets and setting up SaaS and this and that. Personally, I like what I have already built, so I'm not going to be using what Adonis.js has. I like my workflow that I have between Gulp and Webpack, and I use Webpack as needed just for JavaScript. I don't use it for my SaaS. I don't use it for my live reloading. I don't use it for any of that. So let's get started with initializing our project. Okay. If you already have everything installed, like I said, Node.js, Adonis, and you downloaded my Web Developer Starter Kit, you open up your terminal. Okay, click Ls, click CD into projects. Okay, that's where I have all of my projects. You guys might have it in your desktop. It's up to you where you have it. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go into let's say Adonis new, then we're gonna say Toku. Okay, so Adonis new, we'll create our project. Okay, let the download the dependencies that we need for this project. Let it go through. Okay, once it's installed, we do CD, and then we go into Toku. We go into Adonis serve --dev. Okay, so now we basically have everything that we need in here. We go to localhost 127.33.33, or you could go say localhost 33.33. It's the same thing. All right, and there you go, guys. We have our first steps set up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm really excited to get this done. This is gonna be super legit. This is something that you could definitely use for your portfolio and will show to any employer that you understand how web development is done. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, this video is brought to you by viewers like you and people that support our website, CodingPhase.com. Go check it out. Over 20 courses in there that's going to guide you to become a developer from the beginning to becoming a pro.